available. But getting it correlated with the bylanes of Kolkata was my challenge. I have seen a Panwala shop in Rajarhat, which is branded by ITC, and this guy earns about 1 lakh rupees from ITC branding only, has done the same process, has followed the same methodology which has been followed by Microsoft Bill Gates. I can show you, it is all the same. I know a person now who did the same thing which Sanjeev Bikhchandani did or Shantanu Prakash did. And that's what I thought of. I would go on my research on it, and I would use this to develop more entrepreneurs. In the process of developing entrepreneurs, I came to understand that there was another problem of capital. People, if you give them 20 crores of money, they would go to the pathway of entrepreneurship. But without money, it was tough. I met many businessmen from Calcutta, be it Koilan Group, be it Raja Kheni, and so on. And first time I started talking to them about what is venture capitalist. Believe you me, it was very hard getting appointments about this. The same thing when I was in my different official role in a different firm. So people used to serve me tea, coffee at the reception and say, "Sir, please wait." But the moment I started this, ye paisa maangne aaya hai. So I never used to get, it was very hardship. But first time I could explain them what is venture capitalist. And many understood it. Many started telling, if there is a good model, we are ready to invest. Today I carry a sum of about 3.5 crores on which these investors are ready to invest in a good business model. If you see, last year IIT Kharagpur competition, wherein the entrepreneurs presented their model, the best awarded, which came out fuel energy, which would develop energy, the best model was about 10 lakhs only. I do not hint anybody, I do not hurt anybody. It was worth much more. It was worth much more. So that's how I got in touch with them, and I asked them, this time I want to arrange investors from my end, let us meet. And that's how it's on January, it is there, and I'm mentoring 7 to 8 models to be presented on that day. So that's brief about me, brief about the concept. By 2020 rather, there will be about 32.5 crores people looking for jobs, out of which 10 crores would be the freshers. A part of this, added to this, there would be around 11 crores of disguised unemployment in the rural India. That would be the stage there. Old economy and the, and the government enterprise, switch it off. Old economy, switch it off. There will be more problems. It is not on. Old economy and government enterprises cannot create so many jobs. I am not dull enough to say that you are afraid of unemployment. It's one of the most knowledgeable campus in West Bengal where I am in. And I can guarantee you are not afraid of unemployment. What you are afraid of is fear. You are never afraid of unemployment. Seeing the charms, seeing the faces, what you would be afraid of is the old enterprise cannot create such jobs. Who would employ these rural people? If it is not you, who goes, who takes the pathway of entrepreneurship, who would do this? I'm not here to tell you about unemployment. I'm here to tell you that it is for you to create jobs for others. If 10th class student can create a business model which earns crores of money, which can employ IIMs also, it is in Calcutta, which can do campus interview in IITs also, why not you? I'm not dull enough to think that you have never thought of entrepreneurship. I can confidently say, if villagers from Bangladesh taking $5 as a loan and they think of entrepreneurship, I'm not dull enough that you have not thought of entrepreneurship. We are afraid to take the pathway of imagination. We are bonded within the reins of things which is easier. I know a gentleman who was working in transport division in my locality, a very happy life, has suddenly 1 week ago has been asked that that government is reducing manpower, and there is a problem for them because he has a different mentality now. He cannot work and all. But these things are not for here. Had it been somewhere, if I am in a college in different, but I am here for this podium, I am here to talk about entrepreneurship. I am there at Presidency to talk about entrepreneurship. I am there at the St. Xavier's to talk about entrepreneurship. I am there at Durgapur to talk about entrepreneurship. That too when 2 years you are in college. Have this model. When America can produce so many business models from campuses, why it is zero from India? Very less from Eastern India. Still there are models from India somewhere in Western India, but this is completely zero. Very less a story with a knowledgeable guy doing havoc. Very lot of story of completely roadsiders doing a great. Because necessity was there. For these people, necessity was there. For you, it is not there. Your necessity is not for a livelihood. If your necessity is something about dream, it is only then you go ahead with it. Why we are afraid of entrepreneurship? There are certain myths and all that I'll be taking through. But first, I want to say the thing like, how many of you ever thought of just doing something? This was a good business concept. Can somebody raise hands? Have you ever thought of something new? Okay. 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 Are we afraid of raising hands? It is unimaginable. My driver talks of business model. Am I right? Am I right? You think of something, you find some pain, you think of and there it dies, right? But still there is a spirit. What lies behind us, what lies ahead us, is very small in compared to what lies within us. Emerson. So I remember his words here. Most of the places where I have interviewed people, where I have mentored people about entrepreneurship, there's a common story. Eta bikri hobe to. Would there be customers for this? Because in 2 to 3 years, by 2 years, if you create a model for which an investor is ready to spend 1 crore of money, 2 crore of money, X amount of money, and then you can very easily go ahead with the entrepreneurship. You would love to do that rather than job. I can guarantee anybody on this. Now we should lock the roads and so on. So anybody would love to earn so great amount of money, so great amount of accolades. Why don't we take that? Many people start with a jinista bikri hobe of the many. Future predictability. Do not try to predict the future when you can influence it. Do not try to predict the future when you can influence it. When human action can influence the future, do not try to predict it. Sony started with pressure cooker as the first product they have developed. USD couriers, which is about more than your 15,000 crores, started with 100 USD. 100 USD. Applying for job on web, not from the classified ads, Naukri.com. There was no trend that time. There was no trend that time. Do not try to predict the future when human action can influence it. So, I was amazed to know one of the investors of mine first time started a Maruti dealership showroom in northern Kolkata, and Maruti people themselves said, North Kolkata আমাদের showroom নেই, আমাদের মনে হয় না ওখানে বিক্রি হবে. It was wrong. I request you all to get accommodated fast. You have your friends signaling you to come nearby. The seating arrangements in offices, used to show us the politics of the conference or some, sales meet, and we know there is a great politics going on. We know always there is a fight. We used to do not give names on the boards, let them sit. So we used to know which lobby and where, and even our bosses used to know about us. The seating arrangement tells about the associates, right? So coming back to the point where I was, the future predictability. Now this, when human action can influence the future, then why certain people go with it is people believe in themselves. Mr. Prem Ganapathy, you know about him? Dosa Plaza, anybody has heard about it? He was a dishwasher. And a boss talk not what he can talk about branding. The consultants, when he used to tell him about branding, he doesn't know. He said, let us 3-4 consultants compete within themselves, they will educate me about branding. But this was a much, much later stage. So, dishwasher with about 1,000 rupees, and he is creating this Dosa Plaza, which has its franchisees in, I think, now New Zealand and Australia. It has in Calcutta also. Part 2, City Center Part 2, right. How many of you have ever gone through the book Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish? Okay. Connect the dots? Okay. So, when you have purchased that book and I have taken the pain to go through, you would have definitely thought of business models. Right? So, I would like to show you one. Google, Cisco, Microsoft. What is the common thing about these models? All are campus entrepreneurships. All were done in campus. Google is bigger than 100 economies in world. It can buy 100 countries in the world. Campus. By the way, the 4 years, 3 years, they were never able to earn money. The first check that they got, they never had the bank account. And that is the time the person who was writing him the check, the venture capitalist, asked him what is the name. So they said Google. He wrote Google Incorporation and gave him the check. With the check, they opened the account. Right? But none of this, I will take you through, none of these entrepreneurs were superheroes. They were very, very, very normal people. We media, we press, we talk of so much about it, make it superheroes. I go again out of the line. We in JVMS and all, we have a very stern fight with IIMs. There is a very great nexus within themselves. They would write about themselves. The author would write about, taking my note to the Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish. They would write about, I am entrepreneurs. There are so many of